Okay, you have been sitting around for way too long playing video games. It is time to get up, spruce up, and we're starting with your hair. So we're gonna go with a nice clean fade today. I got the Conair Ultimate Grip Clipper, and we're gonna start off with a nice clean shade using the guard number 5. Then we're gonna go in with more of the detail work. So next, I'm going to go in with the clippers. I've taken the guard off, and we are going to start shaping the fade here, and I'm just gonna make brush strokes going down all the way around. So next, I'm going to go in with the lever open and just do some more of the detailing.
That looks good, wow.
I just really loved how easy this was to use. We had all the different settings, so that was easy to build that fade. It was not as hard as I was expecting.
Yeah, this was pretty good. You can really get a close shave on your skin, and yeah, I think it turned out, for our first fade, it turned out pretty good.